How do you block incoming calls on your Android? Let me talk about it and explain it from multiple different angles. So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. First of all, the best way if you want to block incoming calls temporarily is through the modes and routines. So you can find it inside of your settings. It's literally called that way. So you can get inside like this and you will have the ability to find it. And there you have a couple of options, but you can pick the one which you need for your specific use case. For example, one for sleep, driving, relax, work, and so on. And you can even create your own custom one. It's not really important, it's just for better organization. But you click on work, for example. You get inside, and in here, you get to manage what happens when you enable this work mode. So you can see that when I turn it on, what happens is that the do not disturb mode is going to be enabled, and that means that calls and messages are not allowed. So I can choose that calls are only allowed from contacts or favorites or even all of them. I can decide if messages can go through or not, right? So you get a very nice controls over this. You can even pick specific contacts and choose that that person will have the ability to get in touch with you, right? So that is one of the best ways to block incoming calls. However, if you want to go a little bit deeper than that, you can find the phone app, tap the three dots and go to the settings right here, which will give you the ability to tap on block numbers and, for example, block calls from unknown numbers, which means that literally everybody who you don't really recognize is not going to be able to call you, right? You should be able to still see it in the phone app, but the phone is not going to ring when they call you. Or below, you can choose a specific phone number which you wish to block from calling you. So that would be another way, which would be kind of like specific and permanent way. So it is up to you to decide how exactly you want to approach this and which option is the suitable one for you. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to explain how you could make that work. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.